Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2019 Sea Ray 21 SPX Outboard. First, to give you a little spec information on the boat, the overall length is 21 feet 6 inches. The beam is a full 8 foot 6 inches. This boat is equipped with the black hull, black being one of our most popular colors. It's a great look on this Sea Ray. It also comes standard with a dual axle galvanized trailer, so it's boat motor trailer all in one package. Starting on the swim platform or in the transom area, you'll see the sea deck material that is used on the swim platform. Gives it a great look, great traction, very popular feature. As you'll see, this boat is also equipped with the new Mercury 200 in the white paint scheme. Another thing, the white motors are extremely popular now. As we move a little bit more forward into the cockpit area, you've got a backrest that's integrated into the sun pad, so when you're anchored out you can sit and face backwards, watch the kids swimming. It also has a tremendous amount of storage, so all your beach chairs, coolers, all of your equipment can go here. Keeps all the clutter out of the boat. As we move a little more forward, a full piano hinge uncovers the built-in cooler or storage spot here in the rear seating area. As you'll see on the 21, you get a full L-shaped seating. You also get another seat over here on the port side. As you see, this boat is equipped with the dune color interior, which is very popular, as well as the infinity woven carpet that snaps in, snaps out, easy to put in. Ski storage in the floor. Dual bucket seats at the helm, great Sea Ray stitching, nice fit and finish, ventilated. As we move up to the helm area, you have the Simrad 5-inch display, built-in flush mount, fusion stereo, Mercury digital throttle and shift, which also translates with the power steering in the Mercury setup. You have storage on the port side that's drainable. Another big storage compartment for your dock lines, fenders, all your equipment. This boat is equipped with the elevation package, so you have the ski tow or the wakeboard tow point up high with a built-in bimini top. As we move all the way to the bow, you see this boat has the fusion speakers in the bow. Again, seating on each side, storage underneath. And that's a look at our 2019 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. Again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd love to show you this boat or any boat we have in inventory. Please give us a call at 910-256-8100.